Should you put Ono in your headline? Here's what you need to know. Let me go on a little bit of a rant here if you don't mind. I saw some recent communications about this and I don't think it's understood well. Let me give you some examples. If you look at some variations of actively seeking, looking, open, new opportunities, you get up to 23 million results. Take a look at, unfortunately, a couple examples here. This is not what you want to do, guys. You're not going to get found. No one is going to search for you with those types of words. And here are the results, sum of 23 million. Now, do you put it in your headline? Let's debunk that little myth, okay? I've got a person here that I'm doing a profile pop-up for, and this comes right out of her headline. Literally verbatim, those are the words. So, 12,000 results. Let's take a look at who we have. I got 3 people. I've run out of searches, but that's not her, okay? I'll tell you that right now. Now, let's up the ante. Let's put it in quotes, because that will then show it's exactly something that we found in the headline. And, sorry, my search tends to do that. Now it's in quotes. 2,100 results. Click on people. Still not the person I'm looking for. So, well, maybe it's just something odd going on, right? So let's add hashtag ONO to it. Look what happens, guys. I get 1 result. It is not the person I wanted. So I am literally, in quotes, using part of the headline, verbatim, and adding hashtag ONO, and I am not finding the person who has actually done it correctly. So let's explore that a little bit, shall we? I'm going to tell you, I'm going to jump right to it, why that worked and why I found this person. Let's see if we can find them. I put in another set of keywords, 3.6 million people. Notice they're all in Madison, Wisconsin area. That's what most of my searches come from. They're not all first degree, okay? Because maybe I'm not connected with somebody that would be in that area. That's fine. But notice they are localized. Now, find this interesting. I take that exact same search, 2.6 million was it? I add hashtag ONO. Guess who I'm doing the profile pop-up for, guys? That's right, Jennifer Sparks. She just got found out of 2.6 million, was it? I'm already forgetting. 3.6 million, sorry. 3.6 million. And why? Because she did hashtag ONO the right way. She doesn't even have it in the headline. Didn't matter. See the blurb that I tried? The first part of her headline. I tried putting that in quotes. She not only did it not help, it literally did not find her. So it actually hurt her. What was in the headline is hurting a search. I've said this many times. People think everything's about keywords and jam-packing in the headline. No, guys, it actually might hurt you, what you have in there. What was the term that I used and found her for out of 3.6 million? The title of her current job. What is her current job? It's at hashtag ONO. Now, what I would highly suggest is, like she has here, she needs to add a little bit more detail to it. But that is where her ability to blossom and show what she's really great at, even after she's stopped working at this other company, I presume, that's where you can show the kind of things you're looking forward to, the kind of things you offer, your value proposition, because the keywords that are going to be inside here, inside that current position, are huge. So take a look at here. This is also really good. I mean, look at this. Flowers and stress relief, key consumer campaigns. Look at the stuff that she's been doing. I mean, there's incredible, incredible stuff here. She's got video content, actual collateral, media marketing type information here. Not only here in her current position, or her old positions, I mean, director of consumer marketing, great education going backwards. But if I back out here and look at her main profile, she has media attached in her about section. You read her about section, incredible story. This is her story. This is a great story. It brings us in. Talks about her areas of expertise. We see here, now this is one thing that I would suggest. I didn't understand until I got over to the third attachment that was here. Because why are you showing this? I presumed it was something that you had to do with. But here we go. There you are. You represent the floral industry. And then here you had something else where you were a presenter. And not only that, there you are on stage. I love it. So I would be highlighting those guys first and front and center to show that's what you did. And you know what? You did that already. You have that picture right here in your background. Great job. I mean, that's showing about the kind of communication, PR, marketing, that kind of stuff that you're doing. That's the way to do the profile. You're doing it. You're bringing it in. But the problem is you may still not be getting found for the searches that you want, but now you know the key. The key is what's in this current position. And you want to leverage everything you can in there to show your expertise as much as you can. So, a little bit of a rant there, guys, but yeah, hashtag ONO, it works if you make it work the right way. Don't just slap it on your profile and expect to get a job and then give hashtag ONO a bad rap. It works if you make it work. If you have a quality profile to begin with, you can get found out of millions. Would you like that? I know Jennifer would. Hope you like the profile pop-up. Let me know in the comments, guys.